Then we can do more questions yeah, of application of sum of n terms here. So let us go for the next question, which is here given in this one. Find the sum of first 51 terms of the AP whose second and third terms are given here. That means here it is given second term and the third term. So we can write A2. A2 means we know that it's A plus D. Is it? A plus D, which is equal to given here 14. And another one it's given second term and third term. A3. A3 is given A plus 2D. Yeah, A plus 2D is also given here 18. Now from these two we can calculate A and D here, and N it is also given. N it is 51. Okay, so using these two equation 1 and equation 2, solving these two we can see, yeah, subtracting equation 1 from 2 you will get, yeah, equation, I'm writing here A plus 2D is equal to 18 and A plus D is equal to 14. Subtracting, what we will get? A minus A 0, 2D minus D is D here, 15 minus 14 is 4. So D we got, correct? So D we got, N it's given, yeah, you are asked to calculate which one, sum of 51 terms. So easily substitute that one. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is that right? Yeah. So substituting this values n, f51 is equal to 51 by 2, 51 by 2 into 2 into a. A it is also should be calculated. A it's not given here. So D we calculated from the first equation. We are getting A plus D is equal to 14. Therefore, A is equal to 14 minus D, that is 10 here. So we can substitute 10. Understood? 14. D we taken to the other side. 14 minus D is 4 here. 14 minus 4, it's 10. Clear? And plus N it is 51. 51 minus 1 it is 50. Into D is 4 here. Now 51 by 2 into, yeah, 2 into 10, 1 become 20 plus 50 into 4, 200. So you are getting here 220. 51 by 2 into 220. So if we divide this one, what you will get? 110. 110 into 51. Yeah, simply multiply. Yeah, 51 into 11. Correct. 51 into 11. 11 into 1, 11. Here 0 already there. Right. 11. 55 plus 1. 55 plus 1, 56. Is it? Getting? Yeah. Yes, so complete this one. Yeah, let us solve this question here. It's given find the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Correct? So it's given divisible by 6 means all the numbers must be which one? Multiples of 6. Correct? So we can write the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 are, sum of the multiples we can write is 6, 12. Next one it is 18 going, right? Infinite is there. We need 40 there, correct? So from this one we can see A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 6. N it is given here 40, correct? So n it is given. What we need to calculate? Simply sum, right? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S40 is equal to 40 by 2 into 2 into A 6 plus n minus 1 become 39 into D is again 6. Yeah, calculate it. We are getting 40 by 2 is 20 into 2 into 6, 2 into 6, 12. Plus 39 into 6, 54. Then 18 plus 5, 23. Is it? So, yeah, if we add both of these, you will get S 40 is equal to 20 into 12 plus 240. 34 become 240. Yeah, multiplying this one, double it, and along with 1 0 should be there, isn't it? Yeah, you are getting here 4,920. Is it 4,920? Double of this will come, you will get 492, and this 0 will come here. Is it?